Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve if 1 is equals to 5, 2 is equals to 25, 3 is equals to 325 and 4 is equals to 4325, then 5 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell. So here on the channel, we train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced math. So take a good look to this resolution of this logical sequence. So if 1 is 5 and 2 is 25, so we can see that 1 is 0, 5, 2 is, then they write 2, and then 5. In 3, they write 3, and then the previous digit 2, 5. Similarly, with in 4, 4, and then write the previous digit. So in 5, we can write it as 5 and write the previous digit, that is 4, 3, 2, 5. So what replaces the question mark? 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.